Oof. All right, that was my 9-inch pie crust, my pre-made graham cracker pie crust that I just smashed into my 8x8 glass baking dish. Okay, now that we have crumbs, we're just going to flatten them right into the bottom of the dish. Okay, now that this is nice and flat, we are going to move it away and bring in a bowl here. And to our bowl, we are going to add 2 8-ounce containers of whipped cream cheese. You can also use softened cream cheese, but I find that the whipped cream cheese is just easier for me. Okay, next we are going to add 11 ounces of lemon curd, and this stuff is absolutely delicious. This is gonna be a yummy lemon recipe, you guys. It's perfect for parties, for showers, for the holidays. It is so yummy. And now we are going to add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Yep, I love Cool Whip, and it goes great in this recipe. Okay, that is not coming out. Let's get it out of here. Unfortunately, my Cool Whip is still a little bit frozen. I didn't have the time to let it completely thaw out, so it is preferable to thaw your Cool Whip when you make this recipe. All right, you guys, so now it is time to blend this together. I'm just gonna use my hand mixer here, and we'll be right back. All right, that looks nice and soft and fluffy. Let's give it a taste test. Yum, 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 yummy. Okay, now that this is all creamy and delicious, we can bring back in our graham cracker base here. We will just use a spatula to get it all over the top. Ooh, that lemon flavor is just so amazing. You guys have to make this. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. All right, let's get this all out of the bowl. Okay, now that we got that, we're just gonna use our spatula to flatten this out in our baking dish here. Okay, that looks good enough to me. And now the secret ingredient, these delicious vanilla meringues. We absolutely need these because this is a lemon meringue dip. Yep, you heard me. Lemon meringue dip. So we gotta put our delicious meringues on top. I absolutely love them, but David, you don't really like them, do you?
No, not really.
But you're gonna love the taste of this dip, okay?
I can't wait.
And then you just wanna press them in a little bit. Our lemon meringue dip is finished, but we're just gonna put some yummy dippers. We've got some regular graham crackers. Just gonna put those right here. You can use all kinds of fun things as dippers for this dip. We have here some nice flat thin pretzels that we're also going to use. I love these pretzels. They are so delicious. I don't know if you guys have ever had them before. You should if you haven't. And then just some apple slices. I'm lazy, so I just got these little bagged apple slices. Let's just put those in the front, right between our other dippers. And really you can use whatever dippers you like. I just thought these would be really good for this recipe. Okay, now what should I use? I think I'm gonna go for a graham cracker. Just gonna go for a little piece and let us dig right in. Oh, and you would normally chill this in the fridge for about 2 hours, but I cannot wait. I'm just gonna dig in right now, get to the bottom and get that delicious graham cracker crumble. Ooh, oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Lemon meringue dip. You gotta make it.